How to find Facebook hidden phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can find out Facebook's hidden phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have a specific friend on Facebook and you know that they have synced their contacts using the phone number, and then you want to find that phone number on Facebook, can you do it? Well, if the person has made it public, yes you can. But if the person has made it private, can you? Well, to give you a short answer, the answer is absolutely no, because it is against the Facebook privacy reasons. Let's say that you uploaded your own phone number and you made it private. Would you really want the people around you to know your phone number as a public phone number? Absolutely not. And that is the same case with each and every individual on Facebook. Just because the same right belongs to you doesn't mean that it doesn't belong to someone else. You have to understand that the same privacy rights also belong to someone else. So it is actually just pointless trying to find out the phone number of the other person, because you will not be able to do so. Instead, what you can do is you can just try to DM them politely and then see if they give their number to you. So hope this video helps you understand a question, but as I said, it is just a generic question. It is against the Facebook privacy. If Facebook itself is not giving you the access to find out what the phone number is, do not believe any of the person, because you're most likely leading yourself to become a scam victim. Hope this video helped you understand a question. If you have got any questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.